Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect XM to TradingView in 2026. For that, first of all, simply come here on the official website of TradingView, which is tradingview.com. Now, once you are here, you just have to launch the chart of any of the indices or commodities or forex pairs in front of you. So as you can see, I've opened the chart of gold. If you don't know how to open the charts here in TradingView, you will have to basically come here on this particular page. When you log in into your account, you will see this type of page in front of you. So here, click on the option of this search icon here on the top. Now you can type the symbol of that particular cryptocurrencies or any forex pairs which you want to basically launch the chart. So here, let's say I want to launch the chart of Euro USD. So I'm going to be clicking on the launch chart option. When you see the chart of Euro USD or any other pairs in front of you, simply click on the option of the trading panel in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Now over here, click on the option of show all brokers. So what this is going to do is it is going to give you the list of all of the brokers which can be easily connected with TradingView account. So since we want to connect XM, use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then simply type XM. Now, if you are able to find the XM icon over here, it simply means that you can easily connect it with your TradingView account. So if you find it here in your region, click on it, click on the option of connect and provide your XM login credentials and basically authenticate the TradingView connection. But as you can see, since in my region, this particular option is not available here in TradingView, what you can do is you can simply open a new tab now. Then simply type xm.com. Over here, click on the option of login on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now you need to provide your XM login credentials here and login into your XM account. Now once you do this, you can basically use TradingView for analyzing the chart of Euro USD. For placing the order, you can use XM in another tab and then you can punch the orders. So this way you will be able to use XM and TradingView together. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.